Some Call of Duty Modern Warfare players is experiencing a weird issue where the game terminates the connection to a Warzone server with the error code BLZBNTBGS7FFFFF01 connection to the Blizzard game server has been lost. Please exit and try again. Now, let's go over the actual fixes that should allow you to pinpoint and fix the BLZBNTBGS7FFFFF01 error and play multiplayer Warzone games normally. Method 1. Log out and back into your Battle.net app. First things first, close Call of Duty, Modern Warfare and bring Battle.net forward if it's running in the background. Next, from the main window of Battle.net, click on your account name, top right section, then click on the Logout menu from the context menu that just appeared. At the confirmation prompt, click Yes to confirm the process. Once you are back to the login screen of Battle.net, simply enter your login credentials in the presented boxes, then click on Log in to sign back in. Method 2. Update game version to the latest. Once you're inside Battle.net, select your Call of Duty Warzone from the library, then click on the Settings gear icon. From the context menu that just appeared, click on Check for updates. If a new game update is found, then follow the on-screen prompts to install the update, then reboot your PC. Once the next startup is complete, launch the game again normally and see if the problem is now fixed. In case the same kind of issue is still occurring, move down to the next method. Method 3. Run Battle.net as administrator. If the BLZBNTBGS7FFFFF01 error no longer occurs when you launch with admin access, the issue is solved. The only problem is, you'll need to repeat this operation every time you launch the game. Fortunately, you can adjust the properties menu of both Battle.net and the main game executable so that both of them will run with admin access even when they're opened conventionally. Method 4. Set the correct region inside Battle.net. This type of issue can very well be related to a region inconsistency. As other affected users have reported, it's important to ensure that the region inside Battle.net is correctly set according to your physical location. This is not important for every game, but it's crucial for games like Warzone that uses dedicated servers to sustain online matchmaking. Method 5. End the Battle.net task. If the first method was not applicable or did not work in your case, one other thing that you can try is to use Task Manager to end the entire Battle.net while you're already inside Call of Duty Modern Warfare. This fix is not confirmed by the developers and there's no official explanation on why this method is effective, but a lot of users that were previously encountering the BLZBNTBGS7FFFFF01 error have reported that they were finally able to join a Warzone server after doing this. Method 6. Launch the game directly, via Modern Warfare Launcher. See if you can bypass the issue too by accessing the game install folder, right-click on the icon and choose Open File Location. Once you're inside the main game folder, double-click on the main game executable, Modern Warfare Launcher.exe, and see if you are able to bypass the game error. Method 7. Force the in-game update to appear, if applicable. Open up Vanguard or Modern Warfare, depending on which game you own. At the initial screen, you will be prompted to select from different game modes. When you see this menu, click on Warzone. Once you prompt the opening of Warzone via cross-launching, you should see a window asking you if you want to apply the in-game update. Hit Yes and wait until it's installed. After the in-game update is installed, Warzone will automatically open and you should be able to join a multiplayer game without encountering the same kind of issue. Method 8. Scan and repair. Open Battle.net and sign in with the account that holds ownership of the game. Once you're inside the main Battle.net app, click on the game, left-hand section, to select it. Next, click on the Settings gear icon, then click on Scan and Repair, from the context menu that just appears, to check the file integrity and repair Call of Duty. At the next prompt, confirm the operation, then wait patiently until the scan and repair procedure is complete. Once the operation is complete, restart the game and see if the problem is now fixed. Method 9. Change the DNS server. If you've come this far and no method featured above was effective in your case, the last thing that you should do before concluding that the issue is entirely beyond your control is to change the DNS from the default range to a range provided by Google. This is known to make the game a lot more stable and should allow you to fix the BLZBNTBGS7FFFFF01 error with Warzone if it's occurring due to a network inconsistency.